Stage 7 here to talk about Indian Coast Guard Day. Indian Coast Guard is celebrating its 45th Rising Day on 1st February 2021. From a modest beginning with just 7 surface platforms in 1978, ICG has grown into a formidable force with 156 ships and 62 aircraft in its inventory and is likely to achieve targeted force levels of 200 surface platforms and 80 aircrafts by 2025. As the fourth largest coast guard in the world, Indian Coast Guard has played a significant role in securing the Indian coast and enforcing regulation within the maritime zones of India. True to motto Vayam Rakshamam, meaning we protect, this service has to its credit saving over 10,000 lives and apprehending around 14,000 miscreants since inception in 1977. On an average, Coast Guard saves one precious life every second day at sea. Despite the restriction imposed by the COVID-19 pandemic, Indian Coast Guard has maintained 24/7 vigil in exclusive economical zone by developing about 50 ships and 12 aircraft daily. The deterrence at sea and coordinated air surveillance by the service enables seizure of contraband worth about 1,500 crore, apprehension of more than 10 foreign fishing boats with 80 miscreants illegally operating in Indian EEZ alone in year 2020. The preventive and measured response stance of operation introduced just over a year ago ensured that more than 6,000 fishing boats with about 40,000 fishermen were escorted to safe harbor during the passage of 11 cyclones last year, thus averting loss of lives and property at sea. In consonance with the Honorable Prime Minister's vision of Sagar, security and growth of all in region, Indian Coast Guard created maritime history in dousing a dragging fryer on board the 333M long, very large crude carrier motor tanker New Diamond with about 3 lakh metric tons of crude oil of Sri Lanka, thereby averting a major ecological disaster. Further, ICG also provided pollution response assistance to Mauritius during the grounding of merchant vessel Vacatio and provided 30 T of pollution response equipment in addition to training. ICG is also collaborating with littoral countries to combat transnational maritime crimes and enhance maritime safety in its area of responsibility and in the Indian Ocean region. To harmonize the maritime and civil aviation search and rescue mechanism, ICG conducted National Maritime Search and Rescue Board meeting and followed it up with SAR Exercise 2020 to validate the exciting mechanism for undertaking mass rescue operation. In order to synergize coastal security and intelligence, a maiden seminar was conducted to enhance the effectiveness of intelligence sharing between stakeholders. The service is also working in close coordination with central and state agencies to put in place a robust coastal security mechanism. The President of India, Vice President, Prime Minister and Defence Minister congratulated the Indian Coast Guard on completion of 44 glorious years of yeoman service to the nation and appreciated the remarkable role played by the service in pursuit of nation's interests in maritime zone. Thank you.